with kids who are in kindergarten. Ooh. Well, it's not that much of a challenge. Now, what fruits are we going to use to do that? Well, things that are easy to peel, cut, or just separate. We literally have mystery bag, so mystery bag, mystery bag. What's inside the mystery bag? Aha! So, what fruit did I bring? Ellie, what do you think is in the bag?
I think it's a cherry.
Ah, cherries. We could have had cherries, but it's not the right season, sorry. But we do have bananas. Easy to peel and easy to cut. Everyone, bananas!
Bananas!
There's something else in the bag. It's orange.
An orange?
It's not an orange. We have clementines.
Clementines.
I love clementines. I love clementines. Okay, bananas, clementines. It's red and green. It's apples. We do have apples, yes. With 2 big apples. Oh yeah. These are real apples. From France. Now, apples are a bit more trickier to cut and take the kind of apple that you can eat the skin. Some apples have a pretty hard skin, so anything that is easy to cut. And something super easy. It's purple, blackish purple.
Grapes?
Grapes, yes. We have grapes. We're not going to take them out of the bag yet. So, the goal here is we have our bowl, is to split the task between all the kids you have. To let them do it, to show them how to do it, help them a little bit, but the goal is that they work on it themselves, okay? So, first you're going to need a plate. Plate, please.
Plate, please.
Plate, please. Plate, please.
Here you go. I'll take a plate too. Now, Ellie, what do you want? What fruit do you want?
I want clementine, please.
Clementines, okay. So, every time you're gonna help the kid here, how gonna help a kindergarten kid to peel a clementine? You just start, and then you see.
Okay.
Now you continue. You continue. Ellie's on her own. Emily, what fruit do you want?
I want a banana.
Ah, banana. Okay, here you go. Same thing. What we want is to help her peel. We cut here. Okay, peel the banana. Peel the banana. What fruit do you want?
I want an apple.
Ah, an apple. Okay. Now the apple is a bit harder, so you are going to cut the apple, okay, like this. Okay? Now, put the plate on the floor.
On the floor.
We're doing this on the floor. We could definitely do this on a table, especially if you have small tables. But if you don't, see, you can really do it on the floor. And also imagine you won't have a carpet. We have a carpet here, but most of the time it's linoleum or something easy to clean in schools. Okay, so, she's, yeah, you know, it's in progress here. It's built now. Separate the clementine, okay? Separate each. No eating, Ellie. We need it for the salad.
Okay, sorry.
Now, you need to cut the banana. So, cut. Yes, perfect. We're using plastic knives. You can't really cut yourself with plastic knives. And whoa, look at this. When you are finished, you raise your hand and say, finish! Finished!
Finished.
Yeah, okay. Let's
Finished.
put this in the trash. That's gonna be my trash. Put it in the bowl.
Put it
Yeah,
in the
and
bowl.
repeat. Put it in the bowl.
Put it in the bowl.
Okay. Are you finished, Ellie?
Yes.
Ah, so you say finished.
Finished.
Okay. Give me your trash. Thank you. And we say, put it in the bowl.
Put it in the bowl.
Yes, perfect. Okay. Whoa, looks like you're finished or almost finished. Yeah, the apple is going to be the tricky one. Spend more time with the kids working on the apple. Put it in the bowl.
Put it in the bowl.
Okay. Now, let's say we have grapes. So that student will simply pick the grape, place it on their plate, but super simple. And now let's say, oh wow, look at this!
Oh,
Fruit salad. So you can add honey, you can add a little bit of sugar or maybe vanilla, anything you fancy. And of course, check with allergies. You never know. Not many kids are allergic to fruits, but you may want to check anything you're going to add. If there's peanuts or anything, I trust you know your kids. Well, now we have to mix, okay? So let's mix, okay? Mix.
Mix.
Who wants to mix? I want to mix!
I want to mix.
Oh, okay. So we say mix the salad. Mix the salad. Mix the salad. Mix the salad. Done!
Done.
So now everyone will give a spoon to everyone and they'll say, can I try? And they'll try their fruit salad, okay? If you have a lot of kids and it's a big fruit salad, one little piece of advice, add a little bit of lemon to it, maybe or lemon juice so it doesn't brown, or sugar. Sugar will help it from becoming brown. Put it in the fridge and they can have it during lunchtime or as a snack with their other teachers. Perfect. Let's make a fruit salad. Bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye.